And that's what happens when you stop paying attention to the counter on the YouTube thing. I have no idea where I ended up there because the time that I looked up previously it was still recording, and then when I looked up again it wasn't. So whatever. Still trying to cut out the 7. And I was right about the number 7 being Liam's number, so I was very proud of myself. I shouldn't have second guessed myself and just finished it when I started it. But them's the breaks. Okay, so now I have a 7, which is reflective. Still have a big chunk of reflective fabric, and I still have all the pink reflective fabric. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to take this number 7. You know what I need to do? Shoot. I need to change the thread on my sewing machine. See? Reflective number 7. I need to change the thread on the sewing machine because it's brown right now. Which don't make no sense at all. So I was thinking of incorporating actually the little bits and pieces from the vest into some sort of cufflink or whatever. Use them to put in like sort of a shiny little bit of extra oomph onto the arm bracelet thing that I've been thinking about doing. I just saw a really good tutorial on Threadbanger that I am totally inspired by and really want to make. The how to make a t-shirt into a hoodie. I definitely think I need some more punk rock hoodies. I don't have any, so I definitely think I need my first punk rock hoodie. Oh man, I can't show you this desk. I would show it to you, but it's just terrifying, so I'm not going to. Nothing crazy. Look at all this stuff. I've got hats, I've got arm warmers, I've got Winnie the Pooh. She calls him Panda, by the way. It's kind of funny. Chloe thinks this is a panda. Man, so much stuff. Oh, an iPod. Very exciting. I'm looking to that. Potential for something there for sure. I was just thinking actually. This Rainbow Skeletons. I bought 2 meters of it because I love it so much. I was gonna make Chloe a skirt. I'm thinking I might make me a skirt. I know, you didn't see that. Okay, sorry. Wouldn't I look hot in a rainbow skeleton skirt? I don't know. I need to find my thread. A giant freaking bone of thread on here somewhere. Towels that need fixing. Paper for water dissolvable paper. Very cool. More towels. Dead sock. But no thread. All this crap and no thread. Oh, this is a bag full of pants that I need to mend for my friend's kid. That's the next project. Piece of cardboard. More pants of mine. Where the deuce is my thread? I'm reading this book. Humpty Dumpty in Oakland. So far I don't get... I don't know. So far I don't get it. I just started though, so I'm going to give it a chance. This is part of the swag that we got from Word on the Street. I read this for a book club that I was in, and I liked it, so now I have a copy of it. These are some leaves that I found at Word on the Street. I love this color, which you can't really see because the lighting is really crap, but it's a very bright red, kind of bloody red, awesome color. Seriously, though, there it is. Cone of thread. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna load up this sewing machine with blue thread, and I'm going to use I'm going to use some tricks my mom taught me. I'm going to take this cone, which does not go on the top of my sewing machine. There's me almost falling off my chair, sorry. Turn! Okay. My sewing machine has this stupid thing where it sort of slides in that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to pop it in a mason jar over there. And then I'm going to just thread it like I would normally. And then that way the mason jar holds the thread. And you can just sew like you would normally, which is very handy. Alright. I don't know if there's any like local craft shows, like not craft shows so much, but like quilting stuff. I know there's one in Gibson's Landing, but it's far and it's over. Oops. So yeah, I'd kind of like to go to like a DIY craft show in Vancouver or somewhere, I guess. I'm gonna try and hold this down. Can it? Ah, we're the worst camera angles ever today, sorry. Hi. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I think I'm just gonna keep hitting upload until either Rick comes out and talks to me, which we might learn something about Chloe's day at daycare, or until I finish something. You guys can keep me company. And hopefully somebody watches this. It's not too boring, I hope. Alright, so I'm just very basically pinning this down at the three ends so that it's stuck down, but it'll still be a little bit free to move as I'm sewing it. And I'm going to start at the top because I want that to be a certain distance away from the letters. And I always pin things at the wrong angle. But that is okay. Boom! I don't know, I've just been having a really weird week. It went by really fast. And it was very hectic in a weird way. I don't know why my pedal on my sewing machine is always on its side. It's very annoying. So anyway, I had a weird week at work. I want to take a class on like, ooh, watch what you're doing, how to read handwriting so as to figure out whether or not someone's crazy. Because I think it would tell me a lot about myself. So maybe I should just go and have my handwriting read. I don't know. But anyway, I would like to learn how to do that. Because I get a lot of handwritten mail at work. And I think that at least some of the people that I have to deal with on a daily basis at work are certifiable. And I would like to know if that is true or not, or if it's just my feeling. Also, I've been watching that Criminal Minds show, and I have the coolest idea ever. It's totally crazy, but I want to make camouflage, but in rainbow colors. And then I want to label it like, can you tell I'm gay? Not gay, by the way. Just have a lesbian haircut. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. Handwriting analysis and dynamics of group behavior. Those are the two classes that I really want to take. And I think that's weird, but at the same time, so are a lot of things I've done in my life. It's not like learning Latin was any more sane than anything else anyone's ever done. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time again.
I'll be back after these messages.